Hello everyone.
I'm A9.
Today we are playing aeroplane story. It's gonna be just a normal flight. A5.
A5.
You can read all the text.
No,
Actually,
I don't know where the text is.
it's gonna appear at the bottom of the screen. Oh no.
Hello everyone,
This number.
this is your captain speaking.
Dun,
Welcome aboard
5.
flight
There we go.
7821. We are currently flying about 30,000 feet above sea level,
Feel free to
which
explore.
means
You're gonna lose your seat number.
it's a good time to
Feel free to explore the airplane.
arriving. Feel free to explore the aeroplane.
Okay. Flying. Okay.
Now
Find a
please
seat.
find
As
your
we are
seats
about
as we are about to
see.
cross
Do not
an
get off
area
the
of
seat. Miss
high
Rainbow.
places.
And it's taking off.
Thank you
Thank you
for your comprehension.
You know, I thought you wanted to read everything, Miss Rainbow.
Thank you for your cooperation.
Mm.
Get ready as our
Get ready as our crew are preparing a snack for everybody.
Hello everyone, we are the crew members. We will be delivering delicious sandwiches. Enjoy!
I remember.
Do you eat it? Isn't it the mayonnaise?
Yeah, it's mayonnaise salmon.
Okay, I'm not eating it then. I'm allergic to mayonnaise. I am allergic to mayonnaise.
Wait, the sandwich has mayonnaise on it? Wait, what? You didn't even eat it. That's not
I don't know. What?
feeling.
What the heck? I didn't eat it.
Mayo. Oh,
Look what I said. I'm allergic to mayo.
all right.
Find me
Remember
the
what I
kid.
said. Remember what I said.
Oh no!
Find me the kid.
Quickly!
Remember what I
We
said.
need to find Green Funny Jim's baggage for medical.
Timer starts. I will
Look
find it.
inside, above you. It should be there somewhere.
No. Wait, what? Where'd it go? Where'd it go?
You gotta look.
I swear it spawns above your head. Oh no.
You gotta find it.
We gotta
I don't want to
find
die. I don't want to die. We have to restart.
it. No! I found it. I found it.
Oh, thank you.
I love how it's just like, I found it.
Phew, that was a close one.
Alright, I'm gonna sit back down in my seat. There's gonna be no more problem.
Good afternoon to all passengers. I inform you we've reached a state. It would be a good time to sit back, take a nap, and enjoy the ride.
A sandwich.
Good night, passengers. Remember,
Good night,
to
passengers.
stretch your
We still have
legs.
a few hours to
We
go.
still have a
Inventory,
few hours to
identify,
go.
I don't see anymore, so let's do that. Actually, I would keep it hands.
That we've lost
We've lost energy. Hang on as we try to fix it.
try to
Stay on top of your seat.
Stay on top.
On top of the next door seat. Oh
The
no.
next door.
Oh no. Hello? Hello?
You have to survive.
You will not survive!
How do I survive?
Are those snakes? Right, just stay there. You'll be fine, you'll be fine, you'll be fine. You'll be fine.
Look, they're trying to get me, but they can't get me.
I think you have to move around. Come on.
Actually,
Open
lost help for it.
up. What? Is this game like... Oh, go to the open restroom.
Where is it?
Ah, hi. Go, go, go. Okay. No.
Phew.
Alright, I don't think this is going to be a normal flight. Let's just, and floss on the toilet. Floss on the toilet.
That was scary. What the heck is happening? We should discuss what the heck is happening. We don't need to.
Oh, look what my guy said. No. I don't want to discuss it. Oh, no.
Yeah. Yes.
The power's back up.
Okay.
Wait, I carry
A9,
a five.
A9. Hey, here.
There you go. I got my.
Your attention, passengers. I have good news and bad news. The good news is the power is back up. The bad news is that we are losing lots and lots of air. Masks will drop over your seat. Quickly, get one. This mask will keep you safe until we stable the oxygen levels. Please don't panic.
Oh my God! What is this? It looks like a bomb.
Oh no!
What are we going to do?
What do we do?
Okay, everyone.
Everyone, calm down.
Do not grab the scissors, right? It's gonna make you regret.
What do we do then?
I found a pair of scissors. Which wire cable should I cut?
Do you know which cable to cut?
This.
Red?
I will cut the red cable.
Oh wait, that's me! You have the scissors! I didn't.
please.
Yes. Oh my god! She actually didn't die anyway.
You would
So,
die.
look,
You
it's
would
right.
die. You know you would die though. Wait, I want to see you show your oxygen mask. You don't have an oxygen mask.
Where even is one of them?
Alright guys, we're back. My sister died by the oxygen thing because they
No.
took them all. So,
Oh, yes, I'm in my
but
seat.
she had enough Robux to respawn.
Yeah, because if Roblox creators, you should put more masks in airplane because I died because there were
You know, this
only
game's-
3 masks.
I found him. They are on the costume. Yeah, I know.
What is that?
The crewmates. Quickly, get to the captain room.
Where's the captain room?
Go, follow me. Go.
Yeah.
Captain! Yeah, you have the captain bit. Oh, I know what the code is. Code.
What's the code?
No, you don't need to know the code. You need to find the code.
My camera just glitched. I couldn't even read it.
I found the
What's
code.
the code?
No, don't worry. It doesn't even matter. It was 7900.
7900.
Okay. Captain.
Get in. Oh. I really like the drums.
Yeah, the music's pretty good.
What did you do? Innocent.
Where do I? Alright, I can't. Oh no, I forgot to spawn the video. Oh no. I think. See you in the afterlife.
No, we need to press the buttons. This is the
Not
this is the
yet.
stage that you died at. Daddy, daddy. The buttons.
You gotta wait for a little bit. You need to wait until they go blah blah blah. The captain is on the costume.
Unconscious. Just click every button. The autopilot button. I know what that means.
Yeah. Click everything. Before we die.
Okay, click buttons too.
Oh, there you go. Alright, let me. Please.
Dun, dun, dun. Down buttons.
No.
Down. See,
Wait.
this is the stage that you died at, Fatty Batty.
We did it. We saved the
But
plane.
the captain's still unconscious and I bet the girl's actually.
The girls were unconscious.
Yeah, but the captain's still unconscious.
The girls aren't unconscious anymore.
Okay. You know what that is? Come on!
Okay.
Come on!
Okay.
Oh,
There you go.
we're teleporting. Okay.
See?
Did you forget about the creature?
No. No. Why? We're stuck in here. Okay.
We're stuck in the area.
Alright, I'm gonna wait to do what?
The
The crowbar. Oh, this bit. It didn't show this on camera because someone joined it. But hopefully these people know how to do it. They should.
It's a helicopter right on top of us in real life. That was definitely right on top of us. And very loud. Hey. Oh. You can move.
No, I'm gonna floss in the cutscene. Yeah.
We're just dancing in the cutscene.
Why is Queen Banana the pilot, but it's not even showing? Last chance.
Don't. It's the bad ending. What the heck? Did you choose yes?
Yeah.
What the heck? Is that the bad ending?